You see, the wider world judges our industry on how well we manage our interactions with people and the planet. That is why innovation in HSE is so essential for our industry. Now, what do I mean by innovation? There are several different types of innovation. There's problem solving, there's problem prevention, there's continuous improvement. And these are all very important ways we innovate every single day. They drive incremental change and are essential for progress. But there's a fourth and ultimate level of innovation, one through which we change our approach, the way we do things, one through which we change behaviors. It is through this step change innovation that we can truly achieve superior performance. And we've seen it in safety. The safety journey within the oil and gas industry has gone through several step changes, each one driving negative interactions towards zero over time. By tackling safety via technology and standards, then management systems, and now focusing on people, culture, and behavior, the oil and gas industry is continuing its quest to drive negative safety interactions towards zero.
In 2008, I was inspired by the IOGP guideline and called up a team to study biotech for oil pollution treatment and disposal with the support of CNOC. By now, we have carried out tens of thousands of tests, both in the lab and in the field. We put our bacterial agent on the oil-contaminated shoreline to see the effects. We planted the oil-degrading plants together with the microorganisms on the oil-polluted soil to see the effects. We also tested the biopile process to treat oil sludge and drilling cuttings to see the effects. To our delight, we found that the shoreline's ecology had been remedied. We found that dense vegetation began to grow after the pollution in the soil had been eliminated. We also found that the oil waste had been turned into useful planting soil and raw materials for bricks. And as a clean and cost-effective technology, biotech had been applied in exploration and production, such as microbial-enhanced oil recovery. Our industry has already benefited from biotechnology, but we need more.
Emerging technologies make it possible to detect air emissions in ways that we've never done before. There's one class of technology I think has the potential to dramatically impact the oil and gas industry in the near term, and that's leak imaging technology. Specifically, there are a variety of infrared cameras that make it possible to see hydrocarbon emissions, such as methane and other chemicals, that would otherwise be completely invisible to the naked eye. These technologies have the potential to completely transform how we monitor, detect, and quantify air emissions. And I think we should be testing them and helping develop them to fully realize their potential for the oil and gas industry. Now, not only is there an opportunity to transform how we do monitoring, but how we think about monitoring. As you probably already know, our industry is not the only one using these tools. Regulators, environmental groups, even citizens have access to these cameras and can attempt to use them to reveal potential issues even without entering a facility. What's happening here is that these technologies are opening up a whole new era of transparency. While at first that may seem daunting to the oil and gas industry, I think it presents a critical opportunity for us to get out ahead of the curve and develop and use these technologies to our own advantage. By embracing the technology and the transparency that comes with it, we can not only have better tools to improve environmental and safety performance, but also to definitively demonstrate good performance and earn the trust of our regulators and communities.